Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch, and today I'm going to show you how to make some stuff. And it's easy, it's fun, and you can use it as a side hustle if you wanted to sell stuff, or you can just make it for friends, family, or yourself. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the WeCreat laser. This plywood came with the machine, and they also sent me this plywood, which is UV ink printed plywood. So let's take a look at the colors together because I haven't opened it yet. Green, black, red, orange, pink, blue, yellow, purple, green, gray, like an apricot, yellow, orange, another blue, and brown. So these are pretty cool. You don't even have to paint anything if you don't want to. Now you could go in and use one of their pre-made projects, and there are hundreds of them, but I like to come up with fun things just to make on my own. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just take a piece of paper and a pencil, and it can be pretty darn basic. We're not trying to do anything crazy here. I'm gonna show you an example, but you could do this with anything. And mushrooms are a big popular decor piece still. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a phone holder that is a mushroom. There's our mushroom. It's hard to see. This is gonna be the backing for the phone holder. I'm just gonna take a marker now and outline this. I don't want to leave it in pencil just because I want a strong enough line for the laser to be able to pick up. Okay, now I want it to be basically straight going across because I want it to stand mostly straight because it's not going to support the phone otherwise. And I'm going to just draw a line right there. So there's my mushroom. Now I'll take an eraser and I will just erase all of the pencil markings so there's no conflicting lines. And there's less cleanup we have to do when we do upload it into the program. There we go. Pretty easy, right? Except I think I got my line wrong. So I'm gonna have to do my line again, right there. That's the line. We can fix this in the program, so don't worry about that little mix up. Okay, now that we have this, I can see through it, and I want to have some grass in front of it. So I know it's gonna be like this. And then I will just put some blades of grass. Okay, and then I will do the same thing. This can look pretty random, and I'm going to erase that. When the grass is done, I'm going to take one of the pieces of wood, and then I'm going to line it up here on the edge of the base of the grass. I'm going to outline the back. There we go. So I have a nice line. I'm creating a notch, and I just need to know how deep it needs to be. So we'll just create a little line there, a little line there. So all I'm going to do is take my camera, my cell phone camera, take a picture of this, upload it into the program, take a picture of this, and upload it into the program.
When you're in the WeCreat Make It program, you want to upload your image. And I'm doing the grass with a notch. And it'll say the content is larger than the canvas scale to fit, and you want to hit confirm. Then I'm going to go to the edit image, and I'm going to use the cropping tool to get rid of any excess. And then I'm going to use the eraser to get rid of this line so we have that little notch. And then I'm going to use the background removal tool to get rid of all of the excess white space. And I'll hit confirm. Once I have that, I'm going to size it to whatever size I want. So I'm going to hit contours and set it to cut. And then I'm going to remove this. I'm going to delete the black. And then I'm going to, do you see how there's two lines? You don't need that. So I'm just going to split it. And then I can remove one. And this is all you need. You just need that one line. Then I'm going to add the plus on the bottom, which is going to add another layer. Then I'm going to upload the mushroom picture. Hit confirm. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this. I'm going to hit edit image. First thing I'm going to do is crop. Then I'll remove that extra white space. Then I'll take the eraser tool and I will erase that line that I accidentally drew. And in addition to that, I want to erase this line. And I'll make it a little bit bigger to erase all of the dots, because this layer is going to just be the outline of the body of the mushroom. Okay, hit confirm. Now that I have that, I want to hit contours like we did before. I'm going to remove the black one, which is the drawing, and this I'm going to set to cut. And you want to hit split and then remove one of them, and now you have your mushroom. And I would measure my original drawings just to get them to the size that I want, so everything lines up correctly. And you can just size it by dragging the corners, or you can type it right in here. Okay, now I'm on my third layer and I'm going to upload same image that I just uploaded, the mushroom, and now this one is for the mushroom cap. I'm going to hit edit image, use the cropping tool, this time when I use the eraser tool, I'm going to erase all of this and just leave the mushroom cap with the dots. Okay, I'll remove the background, hit confirm, and there it is. Actually, I want to edit it one more time and crop it. I could have cropped that stem out right away initially. Okay, that's better. Now I want to hit contours, cut, separate it, delete that, and then now I'm going to click on it, split it, and get rid of that. And now you have 3 layers that will cut. What you're going to want to do on each of them is you're going to want to set it, make sure that it is on basswood. So I'm just going to cut all the pieces.
I'm going to open up my laser, put in my green. Now we're going to start engraving. Comes out just as I wanted. Perfect.
You have all your pieces cut and you still need to cut the base. So once you have that designed, you're going to upload that. And you're going to want to do the same as we did before. You want to hit edit image. You want to remove the excess. You're going to remove the background, do a little cropping, and clean up any edges that you might need to clean up. Okay, and then you want to size it again to your original drawing, and then you'll hit contour, cut, remove the black one, and then take this and split it. Remove it, and then you're going to want to do the same with these pieces too. You're going to want to select all of them and group them, because then they'll move together. Otherwise, each piece will move separately. And then you want to cut that piece.
I have all my parts cut out, but I am going to tell you, always do like a test cut first on some cheap material if you're using really good material. I did not do that because it's a do as I say, not as I do. And I had the wrong measurement on this. I adjusted the height instead of the width. Then I did it this way, and it's a little bit loose fitting in here, so that didn't really work out. I could have just glued it. It would have been okay. That happens. Now it fits in there nicely. It's not super tight, but it fits good. And here's the other piece. So I'm going to add, this one's nice and tight. First, I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna add some glue. All right, now I'm gonna place this on here. And you want glue that dries clear. Give it a little press, and then if you have excess glue, you can wipe it off. Now is a really good time to do that. Then you're gonna wanna add a little bit of glue to this little base right here. Go ahead and do that. Again, wipe any excess. And you wanna do the same on the bottom of the mushroom. So it still needs to dry, but there it is. Super cute, super easy. If you do some test runs and get it just right, you don't even need the glue. But I was close, but not quite that close. It wasn't quite that tight. But here's my phone. Put it in there. It holds it just fine. And there it is without it. It's just a little decorative piece. So this went from a drawing to this really cute little stand for your phone. And you can size it any way you want. You can go larger, you can go smaller. It doesn't matter. It's whatever you would like to do. So there you go. You put your phone in here. It holds it. It's strong enough. No problem. You can add other embellishments if you wanted to. But I think it looks really cute. Once that glue dries, it'll be perfect. But this could literally be as tall as you want. I love the way the mushroom turned out, and I love how easy it was with the WeCreat laser. I've tried a couple other things already too, and all of them were easy. I can't wait to explore other things to make. If you want to learn more about the machine, I did an unboxing, and you can see that here. There's a special savings down in the description, so check that out also, and I will see you next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye.